The Society for Family Health, SFH, is a non-government and non-profit organization that provides health products, services, and behavior change communications to our population. The organization aims at challenging Rwandans to change their habits and embrace a healthier life, a change that must start with a different mentality.
We are trying to encourage Rwandans to change behavior. You know, everything starts with the brain, with the mind. So whatever you decide, determines your life and destiny. So we have realized that most of the diseases, most of the problems, health-related problems, actually are related to behavior. So, for example, we are into HIV prevention. We are teaching people, we are mobilizing people to help themselves in preventing HIV and AIDS. Number two is about malaria prevention and control. As you know, malaria is one of the big problems facing our country, and the government is in the eradication campaign to basically eliminate malaria. So we are part of the government. We are partners with the government to support in the preliminary exercise by encouraging people, mobilizing people, sensitizing them to sleep under the net, but also to clear the bushes and the stagnant waters where the mosquitoes breed. We're also into sanitation, basically water, hygiene, and sanitation. This is a big deal for us. As you know, many diseases actually are because of lack of hygiene. So if you are able to clean yourself and you have sanitation around your house, around the utensils, you are clean, you really reduce a number of diseases.
Malaria prevention, AIDS prevention, family planning, sanitation, all those are challenges SFH has taken on, hoping this could lead to a greater life for Rwandans, whether it be those living in Musanze, Kigali, or Huye, or those in rural areas.
We have over 100 community-based organizations that are working with us. We have over 300 peer educators that are working with us. So basically we are in each and every district of this country. Despite the fact that we have limited staff, but we have really invested in our partnerships and community-based organizations.
Behavior change is their main target, and they're not planning on letting up anytime soon.
Our focus is behavior change. So when we see people adapting practices and behaviors that are healthier and safe, we are so excited. Our measure of efficiency and achievement is called EDARI. EDARI means Disability Adjusted Life Years. Basically, how many people can you save in terms of estimates by using your products and services and the information they get. I got a report that our interventions have contributed to saving over 152,000 people. So basically, you have your interventions are estimated to have contributed to a person's choice to save his life. So that's exciting.
Health before everything else. Regis Isheja, Rise and Shine Rwanda.